one of our 383 Chevy Strokers. Happens to be our 450 edition. Just got done making 466 horse, but it made over 500 foot-pounds of torque. That's the amazing part. We custom build each and every engine to order. This has to be one of our Chevy 383s, like I said. It was custom painted also. This is going to get a beautiful serpentine kit on here. Again, all of our engines come regular with carburetors. You can run them all fuel injected if you like. Different style valve covers and oil pans. It happens to have an aluminum pan on it and nice aluminum valve covers. The choice of wires and colors is comes standard. Give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. Thank you. All right, I'm going to try this one. Rasan, I got your 71 Chevy Caprice, which happens to be one of our 383 stroker engines. Let's fire this baby up for you. We have a dyno pump on here. Your pulley system will go on as soon as it rolls in.